While the world chases attention, real power is built in silence. Watch the loudest person in the room, always talking, always demanding to be seen. But look closer. The real strength isn't in the noise. It's in the quiet ones, reading, training, building, improving. No flashy moves, no empty boast, just steady, relentless action. The loudest voice often hides the weakest foundation. True power doesn't need an audience. It doesn't beg for attention. It grows in solitude, sharpens in silence. And when the moment comes, the results speak for themselves. You don't have to. Where do you find your strength, in noise or in silence? Drop a comment below.